Amuko President Nando Luwang venerates the role of women vendor owners in various watershed movements of the state, while also warning against people who try to drag them towards politicization of issues. Nando Luwang was speaking while attending the 17th Foundation Day observance of Manipur Kaithil Phambi Apunbalup Makpal, which was held at Thangmaiban Thau Ground today. Speaking further in the program, Phairoijam Nando Luwang said women vendor owners have been instrumental in building consensus and unity and have taken various important decisions concerning socio-political and economic issues of the state. But sometimes they are dragged into petty politics by some vested interest groups or individuals. Nando Luwang further cautioned the women and mothers to not fall prey to politicking.
ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯁꯦꯟ ꯊꯨꯝꯒꯤ ꯏꯁꯥꯒꯤ ꯄꯨꯟꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯌꯨꯝ ꯑꯃ ꯄꯨꯅꯕ ꯉꯥꯛ-ꯉꯥꯛꯀꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯊꯨ ꯑꯀꯥꯏ ꯏꯃꯥꯔꯖꯦꯟꯁꯤ ꯊꯣꯛꯂꯛꯄ ꯊꯧꯗꯣꯛ ꯋꯥꯊꯣꯛꯇ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯑꯃ ꯊꯥꯡꯖ ꯄꯨꯖꯐꯝ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯄꯨꯐꯝ ꯂꯥꯛꯐꯝ ꯐꯪꯕ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯃꯐꯝ ꯑꯃꯅꯦ ꯃꯁꯤꯗꯁꯨ ꯅꯠꯇꯅ ꯏꯃꯥ ꯏꯕꯦꯜꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯒꯤ ꯀꯜꯆꯔ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯉꯥꯛꯐꯝ ꯑꯃꯁꯨ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯤꯃꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯅꯨꯄꯤ ꯀꯩꯊꯦꯜꯗ ꯌꯣꯜꯂꯤꯕ ꯄꯣꯠꯆꯩꯁꯤꯡ ꯐꯤꯔꯣꯟ ꯀꯩꯀꯩꯁꯦ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯀꯜꯆꯔ ꯉꯥꯛꯅꯕ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯃꯔꯨꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯃꯆꯥꯛꯁꯤꯡꯅꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯅꯥꯠꯀꯤ ꯐꯤꯖꯣꯜꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯁꯦ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯃꯁꯥ ꯃꯆꯣꯝꯇ ꯋꯥ ꯉꯥꯡꯖꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯐꯤꯖꯣꯜꯅꯦꯕ ꯂꯥꯏꯔꯦꯝꯕꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯒꯨꯟ ꯌꯥꯎꯔꯕ ꯅꯨꯄꯤ ꯑꯃꯅ ꯅꯥꯠꯀꯤ ꯐꯤꯖꯣꯜ ꯑꯃ ꯁꯦꯠꯂꯒ ꯆꯠꯄ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯃꯍꯥꯛ ꯁꯣꯔꯥꯠ ꯆꯠꯂꯤꯕꯅꯤ ꯆꯥꯛꯆꯥ ꯍꯩꯖꯥꯟꯅꯕ ꯆꯠꯂꯤꯕꯅꯤ ꯂꯨꯍꯣꯡꯕ ꯆꯠꯂꯤꯕꯅꯤ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯈꯪꯉꯦ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯒꯤ ꯒꯨꯟ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯒꯤ ꯇꯥꯁꯤꯟꯐꯝ ꯇꯨꯡꯒꯐꯝ ꯇꯥꯟꯐꯝ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯀꯩꯊꯦꯜꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯁꯨꯝꯕ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯕ ꯅꯨꯃꯤꯠ ꯑꯁꯤꯗ ꯏꯃꯥ ꯏꯕꯦꯟ ꯄꯨꯝꯅꯃꯛ ꯄꯨꯟꯁꯤ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯥꯡꯕ ꯑꯣꯏꯕꯤꯌꯨ ꯅꯥꯗ ꯌꯦꯛꯇꯕ ꯑꯣꯏꯕꯤꯌꯨ.
While President of Poirai Leimarol Mairapaibi Apunba Manipur Soraisam Memcha expressed concern over the prevailing violent situation in the state, which has affected every community in Manipur. While maintaining violent clash cannot bring lasting solution, Soraisam Memcha appealed to two warring communities to engage in dialogue in order to resolve the crisis and to work towards a restoration of peace and normalcy in the state.
Judging, announcing, Katheringi, Masi Makoina Sindala, Masi Apoipurama, Namina Bacher, where each had the Adukimatik, no idea, Tamoy de Abdej, I don't know, the Manipur, the Wainala Ibacher, Tarai Dare, Maru Waina, Katheringi, Judging, announcing, Imana, Wishing Nachu, Togdavaya Vani, Haina Apoirim, Manana, Jamina Duna, Apurma. Hunay amabu kanana bo hona badai charging akoi ta chalmina laga nuksina wala tala upai lai lo aina mayele tauna dala akoi amata wena chamina chi araga batang dilo chat